We're going to touch upon something there now. The
Some
Jamaica,
JPL. Yeah, man. Get back to the boys. Aye, sir.
Cavaliers versus Mount Pleasant. The repeat of the final last season.
But what you want to talk about first? You want to talk about the third place match or you want to get
I'm going to touch the third place match.
Alright.
They don't know, so it's not the spotlight, but it's the opener. We have to respect that because at the end of the day, Caribbean Club Championship is still on the line. And I think third place, either third or fourth place.
No, third. I think it's third. I think it's
exactly,
third.
so that's on the line. So it's Arnett versus Waterhouse. Javian Brand still on farm. Will he score again?
But Javian, boy, him really out tight. But personally, I talk to the baller want to reach him 20 mark, you know.
Want to reach 20 mark?
Yeah, that him talk to me one day. I'm going to tell him, say, what for stop that trick? What for tap that trick? I see him, so I tell him.
Yeah.
I'm saying, yeah, man, father, same way, so. So make we look out on it. You don't know Red Fabian Reid, you don't know Marv Kaim Dixon and Giant.
You're not surprised if Fabian Reid come back with you?
Yes, but I know say it was desperation though.
Me not think of desperation alone,
yes,
but
no, they be down, you know.
Yeah, me know, but also
call him
have him in around the team, psychologically
that is true, but it was desperation. I think, honestly, I don't think him for even play next match. I think him did injured. Him still did look injured coming and playing on the match, but him trying best, him get 1 and 2 efforts off a goal, but and he actually did test the keeper really well. It was it big off.
But man, engine come on and look sharp.
That's what I say. I think boom, one touch, boom, out there, foot, boom. Classic striker. Well, it's why probably that's all him could have done too.
Why?
He could have driven through.
I not more than that.
That's true. I see a striker. Alan score how much of them there?
So from your perspective, who you think are going to win the game there?
Oh boy, honestly, that's a tough game for Carl, you know. Boy, if this could have been a final thing, because this match I got hot.
Yeah, man, it's going to be hot, man.
That's why we couldn't jump over it, because this match should have been hot too.
That got hot, man.
As you said, them 2 strikers there, especially 2 talisman for the team. But something tell me about Waterhouse, I got cool down on it. I feel so. But everybody I got have Kaim, I got have a master class.
You have to do a video on Kaim.
Yeah, you know, say me I have to start some more interview with the player them. Like just me, instead of just me more, I just sit down with them and talk with the player them.
Yeah,
man, for real. But them I gonna feel like say boy, them under pressure.
Serious interrogation. Imagine it goes to the guy.
Especially with you. I'd probably be the good cop. MG would have said, so why are you there? What you expect for the next season? Boy, that's a good season.
Bad question, but I'm not going to pressure them, man.
Yeah, man, moving on to the next match, though. So, what year, sorry, man, forget to ask you, what's your view?
You know, I think I go Waterhouse.
You go Waterhouse?
I go Waterhouse.
So.
Yeah, I think I go Waterhouse.
Why not Kaim Dixon masterclass? People been wanting to see him. Him show glimpses.
Yeah, funny enough, I look on the game where they play against what the game who are they play against Mount Pleasant, right? You know, so at one point me nah like no Mount Pleasant, man.
That's some both says.
I know Mount Pleasant.
You start talk so quick. Hold on there. Oh, forget Mount Pleasant and Cavaliers. And hold on. No semi-final where talk about?
No, man. It's third place playoff.
Yeah, Arnett and Waterhouse are play.
Yeah, man. Arnett and Waterhouse.
What happened?
Me don't know.
Me
don't know. Me lose the chain of thought.
Come here, know where we are going to.
The match of Kaim play, I remember Kaim a dog walk.
Madman in the people.
Kaim a dog walk. Who's defending me? Kaim a dog walk, man.
I don't even remember about him dog walk.
Cavalier, man. Cavalier defender them, man.
So the semi-final you talk about then?
Yeah, man. Semi-final.
I think you talk about the third place, man.
No, man. Semi-final.
Yo, this man all over the place. My mother, you know. My mother ready, my mother.
People watching, they bring their shambles and stuff like that. Anyway, you know, when I watch Kaim versus Cavaliers, the way I see man a dribble, man a take up the game. At one point, you can see Arnold look kind of defeated. And I him miss it take up the game.
Yes,
and I try pull back in team. And I say, yo.
But don't be like that. Paul P did that play too. Paul P did that play too.
Who attack?
No, Paul P, him never there run the game. My boy, the Jaim.
National.
Yeah.
National. Oh,
National,
yeah, man.
You call him.
Yeah, man. In that play, man. In that play, man.
Yeah, man. The man there out there, man, run it too.
Yeah.
Come on, don't forget that.
But I think,
yeah,
me like his season have still. Even though the numbers not reflect it, but he have a really good season. Anyways, so I think me like Waterhouse is the third place.
Because remember saying did I play for CC.
No man, the film season starting in January.
About Kaim, man.
Yeah man, film season starting in January.
No, but overall you fix. So much now play from November time, bro.
Yeah, me know. That's what I say. Half a season him have.
Yeah.
Half a season him have. When
But you sound like you did vex with the numbers, like you know vex.
No
That's
man.
why I said don't forget same numbers not as good because I never play all of the matches.
Well, true.
Don't forget that.
Yeah.
Don't
This with that.
Don't do that. Or you just look on goals per match.
Yo, because he play. I think he play about nine or so much now. I think I'm about four goals or so. He about 4 goals. But him impact in a game, really good.
Him impact.
Anyway.
He probably don't get an assist, but him dead here and he might make the defense work.
Yeah. Anyways.
Finals. Yeah, man.
Ooh, Cavalier versus Mount Pleasant. No, we have seen this final last year. Mount Pleasant was victorious. Last year, Trevante Stewart played a big part.
He's not here anymore.
Not here anymore.
Look like somebody wants to be a star for this final and they want to not be here anymore.
All right. Fun fact, you remember one time we see final, see by Grave. Come on, last year. Remember one time we go up there, we see by Grave. 1v1 training. We see first semi-finals, no by Grave. And second semi-finals in Command. So, and I brought further start. So, is there trust in the playing by Grave? We expect Bargrave to turn up in the finals and go on good.
We're not sure. What you think about Bailey though?
Yeah man, good player, really good player, dangerous player.
Him probably not getting the goals what him want, but him
probably not receive ball in a dangerous position.
Him did. Let me tell you shy. Him get 1 and 2 opportunities where him should have probably do better.
I see
not gonna be honest, but him actually still an impact on the side even though he not score.
Yeah man, he's you see him dangerous enough, so he will always make an impact.
Yeah.
But I see something about Mount Pleasant what made me worry a little bit about this game. When we see them play against Waterhouse, the last 10 minutes of the game,
them let them back in.
No, let them back. Not just that alone. No. The last 10 minutes of the game, Mount Pleasant, just as 2 or 3 players go forward. Mount Pleasant have a body back. You remember on a free kick, one man turn up over a free kick and everybody turn back a ball. No? Then the corner, one man go take the corner.
Yeah.
Nobody now go back. I see a little fear. You never normal see that versus Mount Pleasant. Never normal see that. We can see a game management, we can see a control in the situation, but we can also say it's fear.
What do you think about the red card?
Yeah?
What do you think about the red card?
Deserve red card. I can't do that.
I asked them in the week if it was someday, if it was because it was a female ref. That's why I shot the lady. What you feel? Or you think you would have chuck a man saying?
I think based off our emotions, it's not the same thing. But the end result is the same.
When I be go think, man, look and say, oh, yellow card, would have just probably go up to him, but woman, what you say, woman? But I don't want to be that guy and say, sorry, we stay.
Yeah. But really and truly,
move on and football.
It can be and it cannot be. So we go
football, I don't want to.
Nevertheless, Cavalier. A lot of people think things honest that be Cavalier. And the goal of Adrian Reed scoring in midfield and screamer. Scream. Boom. So it's a comprehensive.
The different read.
Yeah, man.
The wrong read for them.
It was a comprehensive. It's a read score, but a different.
Right, that's the wrong read, man. The one that read, the one that read the game good.
My 18-year-old this year, little youth, you know.
See it and look for the goal in my score. You never know, could be him gone again.
Yeah.
We need for them ball here for keep and get more people, most of them ball out of the country.
Yeah, man, I tell you, man.
So we can continue to bring up more players in the system.
At every level. You 15, you 17, you 18. Yeah, man, he play for at every level. Even you 20.
As you say about national, what do you think about them, Mario Phillips? You think this could be a showcase? Why is Al Grimson not at these matches?
Good question. Really good question.
Why not there? This shows him not really business about Jamaica.
Can we confirm he's not there? Can we confirm he's not there?
I don't see him. I am there and I am looking at I will go upstairs.
At 13,000 people in there. You can confirm that?
Would I know? So would I catch him? And he wouldn't go anyway.
No, man. No.
Would I just go in the stands?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Every match we go to stands, him going.
Coach, tell me if you're there.
He really goes to stand up.
But this will show because I don't see him. I am a come after the interview them. Don't forget. Not kiss them. Not kiss them over your son and know somebody do the interview.
I
have to walk up and down to some of them in the crowd. I drop videos to show them some of them in the crowd too.
I dream to say in the crowd that VIP in the crowd. Me can confirm. But me now let the game them.
But don't rush me though. I feel that is a point for sure. You say probably him not get the Jamaican player them are looking.
No, I wouldn't say. Remember say have him local camps regularly. regularly.
Alright, that shut me up.
Yeah,
Let go on. If get that one there, get that one there. But
So,
you
yeah.
still feel watch the hot match. I'm training
True.
is nothing.
No, nah, dispute
So
that.
I'm still get it.
Nah, dispute that. Nah, dispute that. Can't fight the one there.
Yeah,
Even though me can't confirm it, but me can't say no.
that's a
Same
true.
as well.
Show your face out so you cover the match.
All the sports facts that catch him.
That's something I
They
tell you.
catch me.
You know them just love you. Are you named MG now?
Yeah, man.
And a military good, you know. Media.
You're going on. So, for the final, I think that's supposed to be a very, very good tactical battle. Remember, say, Tapa get the job done over speed last season. No, speed
you
must
think
have
he
learned
gonna do
something
that?
from that.
You think he might do it again?
But when you see two teams go on finals, twice back to back, me don't know if it normally go the same way, you know.
Boy, sometime it do.
Really?
Sometime yes.
Why?
But
The
can
quality of
lightning
one
strike
have still, you know.
twice?
The quality of one and half still.
As I said, lightning strike twice. Can Devontae Campbell
Ooh,
strike twice
look good
again?
in semi-finals.
Oh, it's a
Really
brace
good in
that, you know.
semi-finals.
How much? Was 20, I think.
20, yeah.
And as you mentioned, you did a video about youth academy. You know, what you think about that? Him being in the youth academy.
Coming right through.
Right
That's a good
through.
look. That's
you
a
know,
very
you
good look.
spoke about it. You know, should we, and you talk about all of these youth academies are going, we need to go do some work for more Pleasant because that's a good academy.
Yeah, man, things is happening.
We need
there,
to go
man.
for Phoenix too.
Yeah, no problem. no problem in that, man. That if you boss, let me in the house.
If I let in, man, I'm
Let
that
me
10-7 forward. If go ring my phone when this job I say, don't care about there.
That's if you let me in. I can't tell you once we go in, I have to hold up on your shoulder.
It might beat me too. But yeah, back to the match though.
Can't deny it. He's doing good work, so we can't deny that. None at all. Yeah,
that's true. Big up yourself as well, but like, you do really good work.
Don't know.
You
not see eye to eye.
Yeah.
Cannot deny work.
I say go in there in the media, because as soon as I start the more video, now him agree me. I'm going to say, Bola, come on. Nobody I'm going to give you a award. I'm going to give you a award to big man. Come on, have it. I just can work and all the thing. But back to the match though. Devontae Campbell, where you say, can you do it again?
I think him can be the man for them. I think he can be the man for them, certainly. And me expect the Mount Pleasant team now go show the fear of them. Them show what else. If the game close, you might say that. But
Demario Phillips.
Cavalier fearless.
No,
fearless,
but before you go on to Cavaliers, more talk about Demario Phillips. Some corner there.
You are going now.
EPL-esque. I think I was watching soccer.
I think about
no,
it.
Man, some good corners, man. And he might play well.
Overall in season, this is not his best season overall. Last season was far superior to this.
Just come on to the JPS.
Yeah, man.
But may I get more, but Jano, him look good though.
Yeah, because man just for 24, 23,
hopefully
24.
Next season him not here because most of the ball them out there don't bother about next season.
Better quality.
Yeah, not only that, but we're going to have more and more quality come true.
That's one of the big contributing factors why the quality of the league consistently drop. Because if all the better players them consistently leave.
No, but I don't mind that because if Jamaica or this league is a league where scouts go and look on constantly.
No, it's a, you don't mind at
pick
all.
1 and 2. Go one, it help the GDP, which is very important because we're really poor. Really poor.
Yeah.
So we need to lift up the GDP by allowing all of these transfers. And also the football itself going to upgrade because when transfers come about, you know, remember everybody I get piece of the money, you know.
Yeah,
everybody I get piece of the money.
People are going to put in the work getting transfer.
That is true.
They may play ball, I see ball left. Me know what? Me have got to work hard.
That's true.
Score some more goal and them something.
That's true.
You would never know people. Me a best striker in Jamaica.
We can make some compilation. Come on, mad in yeah, when you say goal and score.
As me say it.
When you say I hear side and score it, you know.
As me say it.
But they I did that video because you don't know how to get the video out to the people them and we have only oh, this looks a coordinate. You in a black, me in a white. Me and the good one, you're the bad.
Anyway, so you are going so where you think I'll go win the game then?
Oh, don't do that to me, MG.
Alright, you are going. Let me tell you my thoughts on it, right?
But I'm feeling like it's gonna be a repeat of the same Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant.
I just like Mount Pleasant system.
So you are going now. It's Mount Pleasant, two things. May I be honest? I think Cavalier are going it. That's what I think. But with Mount Pleasant,
them learn from the mistake.
Yes. With Mount Pleasant, I would want Mount Pleasant to win it. Let me tell you why. the structure of the club,
that's
or
what
the
I'm
club
saying.
setup, all of these things will showcase them are running in the right manner.
That is true.
But financially, they have it and they can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Every club can do that.
That is true.
So if Mount Pleasant win it multiple times,
Yeah.
it force the other clubs them to start operating that manner.
I believe so.
It force the other clubs to start operating that manner. And they know when the club start operating that manner, they have the youth system and structure and then kind of something there. You know, to start produce better football. But despite that,
it's going to be an interesting final.
It will be. But I think Cavalier
prediction.
Win it, but I would want Mount Pleasant to win it.
Prediction. Your scoreline. Give me your scoreline. Can probably give me a goal.
2-1 Cavalier.
Am I greedy to ask you for the goal scorers?
Goal scorer. Rough, busy, probably busy.
Busy, always busy. You know?
Yeah, man. They're out. Mount Pleasant out some defenders, you know, the red card.
Yes. As I said earlier, yes. Injured?
Yeah, that's when he come off.
Oh, but no, man. I see him after the match. Him look alright.
Yeah, look alright.
But can he run? That is the thing. Walking and running is two different things.
Yeah. But I think I'll give it to Cavalier. Even if I say Mount Pleasant to win it.
I think Mount Pleasant going to grab it again, just based off of what I see with them. And I really, probably a little biased because, as you say, we really like them system.
Yeah, or them structure
really
the
like
club and
system.
Every club have them structure now, but based off of the youth structure, the academy, all that kind of something there. Yeah. That's what we want to see in Jamaican football.
That's true.
Yeah. Anyways.
Right. So you know what my score?
You run a score then, huh? You know if you want to give me a prediction, I know you want to give a score. Run a score.
Yeah, I'm indecisive.
Yeah, see exactly. Run a score.
Want a hard final, 3-2.
3-2.
3-2 Mount Pleasant. 3-2 Mount Pleasant.
Extra time, not go straight penalty.
Yeah, no, extra time. Them supposed to have extra time. Because even when they are second leg, I think if they were on same, that grade was same, it was going to be extra time.
Yeah, man.
We're not go
2 full time, and then the next goal is going to extra time.
You want me to give an award for the top scorer? Well, not for the. We probably can do for them. Do that for man of the match. Yeah, man of the match. Yeah, now we're not the top scorer.
2 awards.
JP.
Man of the match and player of the season.
All right.
Yeah.
We have to link up what them name.
If Mount Pleasant win it, Sole McCullough get player of the season. Yeah. He has been the most vital player for Mount Pleasant right through the season. Yeah, and the captain.
1 goal?
No, 1 goal he scored. He scored the most vital goal for Mount Pleasant. Yeah, man.
No, 1 goal what they
Yeah. Oh, they good. Not just that alone.
Because even the manager say him basically him never, you know, him never expect him to pop up.
Yeah. Him always pop up, yeah?
So I'm saying never expect him to pop up.
If a Cavalier, I probably look for gear. We can't give a Cavalier. Probably Leng. Yeah, he has been really, really good as a defensive unit. Yeah, man.
We see. That's nice. Say I show the defender.
Probably Leng our youth name Ainsworth.
Ainsworth been good.
Yeah, he has been really good.
No, them love.
Sorry, my apologies. Calvin, Jalmar,
yes,
Calvin.
I just about to say it. People them love. Yeah, man, you can pass.
Yeah, man, Jalmar, Calvin.
Anyways, you have anything to say?
No, man.
I don't know if you're in the ear chance to jump on.
Remember, you're done, no, man. You don't call shot boss, you know.
Son, you don't know MG. MG didn't do. You don't know your outro. Outro the thing properly.
Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for joining. If you want to support the channel, you can do 3 things. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join the membership. And also you can buy us a coffee. Link in the description. Member for support Knockins. Go over the IG. Go over YouTube.
Member for put me in the title.
After that. Big up on yourself, people.
It was a good look, people. Thanks for having me again. You don't know, always I go see me. From you see MG more, you have to see Blacks more. Big up again. Ball of foot. You don't know.